How to get listed on CoinGecko. Step 1. Go to CoinGecko.com and scroll down the footer. Click Request Form under the For Developers section. Step 2. Choose the right form. Token listing request for coins or tokens. Exchange listing request for centralized or DEX platforms. Step 3. Fill out all required details: token name, symbol, contact address, project website, white papers, social media links. Verified markets must be active or supported exchanges. And logo and branding assets. Step 4. Double check all links and info before submitting. Incomplete or fake data will delay approval. Step 5. After submission, CoinGecko will review your request. They typically respond within 5 to 10 business days, but it takes longer. Pro tip: make sure your token is actively traded and has real community presence. This increases your chance of approval. And that's it.